Start by laying out all the pieces needed for the 2 drawers. Tap in all the Rayfix fittings with the rubber mallet using the same technique as before. Lightly tap one side followed by the other. Also, using your Phillips screwdriver, screw in all the Rayfix bolts into the pre-drilled holes. Now, connect the 2 pieces labeled drawer box side to the piece labeled drawer face and tighten the Rayfix fittings. Now, slide the piece labeled drawer box back with the Rayfix fittings facing outwards so that they are not visible from the interior of the drawer. Then tighten the Rayfix fittings. Now, slide in the piece labeled drawer box bottom on an angle just below the Rayfix fittings and tighten the Rayfix fittings from underneath, ensuring all the fittings are tight and secure. You now completed the assembly of one of your drawers. Repeat these same steps for the second drawer. And finally, install the drawer knobs.